How to fix MetaTrader 5 no connection issue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no connection issue on MetaTrader 5 so you can start trading without interruptions. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause MT5 to lose connection. Try opening a browser or another app to confirm your internet is working properly. Step 2. Select the correct server. Open MetaTrader 5 and go to File/Login to Trade Account. Make sure you're using the correct server provided by your broker. Using the wrong server will prevent the platform from connecting. Step 3. Double-check your login credentials, password, and server details. Even a small mistake can cause a no connection error. Step 4. Disable firewall or antivirus temporarily. Sometimes firewalls or antivirus block MT5 from connecting. Try temporarily disabling them and check if the connection works. If it does, create an exception in your firewall from MetaTrader 5. Step 5. Use a stable VPS or wired connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection for better stability. Professional traders often use a VPS to ensure MT5 runs 24/7 without interruptions. Step 6. Restart MetaTrader 5. Close the platform completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart fixes minor connection glitches. Step 7. Contact your broker. There may be server maintenance or account-specific issues that only they can resolve. And that's it. By following these steps, your MetaTrader 5 should reconnect and you'll be ready to trade. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more MT5 tutorials.